Stop doing boring chores alone. Get your kids in on the fun instead. Habit number 1. Tidying up toys. After playtime, teach your little ones to put their toys back where they belong. It keeps their room neat and makes finding toys a breeze. Habit number 2. Saying please and thank you. These magic words show good manners and make everyone feel appreciated. It's like spreading a little bit of kindness. Habit number 3. Brushing teeth twice a day. Morning and night, keep those pearly whites shining bright. Healthy teeth mean happy smiles. Habit number 4. Helping with chores. Simple tasks like setting the table or watering plants show they care and lighten your load. Teamwork makes the dream work. Habit number 5. Doing homework on time. Learning new things and being responsible? That's a win-win. Habit number 6. Eating healthy foods. Fruits and veggies give them energy and help them grow strong. Yum! Habit number 7. Saying sorry when you make a mistake. It shows understanding and helps make things right. Oops, my bad. Habit number 8. Being kind to others. Sharing and helping makes everyone happy. Kindness is cool. Great job, everyone. These good habits will make your parents super proud. Let's practice them every day. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.